So God put this scripture in my head when I was thinking like, how can America be so bad? Like, how can it be so evil? How can they do so much stuff that's just bad? That's just completely against God. And God not do anything about it. And this is the scripture that God put in my head, and I was like, oh crap, this is bad. This is bad, because if God doesn't judge you as a nation for your sin against him, he doesn't even care about you. This means God doesn't, like, he's completely indifferent towards you. God does not care about America. If God cared about America, he would have chastised them already. He would have disciplined them already. But God lets America do whatever America wants because God doesn't care about America. God is there. I know, I lived there. I lived there for 40 years. I went to so many different churches looking for God. He's not there. He just isn't. I know it's hard. It's hard for Americans, especially for Christian Americans, to wrap their brains around it. But if you love God and you're searching for God, get out of America, because he's not there. He's just not. He's not welcome there. That's the main reason God isn't in America is because, first and foremost, he's not welcomed there. The God of the Bible isn't welcome in America. Now, the God of Christianity, that's a different God. That is not the God of the Bible. That is a God, that is an idol that they made themselves, that they worship. So it kind of, if you're not an American, you'll look at America and you'll think it's like a godly country because they're always talking about, Jesus and stuff, and they have so many churches. They have the mega, like America started the whole mega church thing around the world now. Now there's mega churches in all countries around the world, but it kind of started in America. But, with the Joel Osteen, Lakewood Church, America kind of started, made TV, church TV kind of a thing, popular around the world. So we have America has all the major Christian television networks. I don't know any other country who, they probably do, but they're not as big as America. America is like the iPhone of Christianity, right? It's like the brand that everybody wants, but it's not God. And that's the sad reality about it. You think you want it, and then you get it, and you realize it's not the real thing. It's not the real God. It's just something they made up. They slapped God's name on it. So you think it's God, but it's not. So, and this is why God doesn't judge America. Because for one, he's not welcome there. And God, and this is another thing that drives me crazy about Christians too, because Christians really, they want to hope and believe that they can save everybody. Because they can't swallow that pill that people are going to go to hell. Some people are going to go to hell.